Ready for machine and vehicle. Connect to 12 voltage power supply. Open the vehicle oil filler port. Compare oil lead and joint. Choose the suitable joint. Can use general joint if no suitable one. Install the joint on oil filler port. Connect the green drain pipe of machine. Lift the vehicle. Open the oil releasing screw to drain the old oil. Connect compressed air. Pressure out 0.4 megapascal. Change the right valve to blow. Sweep block slowly. It's the status without opening blow sweep. Start blow sweep. Can releaser on 0.3 to 0.5 liter more. Take out the special joint on oil bottom shell. Compare vehicle screw and select suitable joint. Install screw well. Connect the well-installed screw to vehicle. Connect the red scavenge pipe of machine. Open the hand valve. Add proper cleaning oil. Start idling for 5 minutes. Turn the engine speed to around 1500 rpm after hanging in neutral. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Add cleaning filter inside. All valves change to cleaning block. Turn on the work indicator switch. Machine start to clean. Working pressure between 0 to 0.4 megapascals. Finished to filter impurity and fat load after cleaning for 10 minutes. Ready to release the old cleaning oil. Close the hand valve and take out oil pipe. Open the hand valve and release oil. Repeat blow sweep. Recover the vehicle. Add new oil. Change the hand valve to draining block. Turn on the work indicator switch. Start to drain the old oil.